Welcome to Abdali Grammar School YouTube channel. Our today's topic is uses of heat and light. Heat and light are very useful. Heat from the sun can dry our clothes. We use heat to cook our food. When there is no sunlight, we use other sources of light to see, like candles, flashlight, lantern. How to produce heat. Heat can be produced in many ways. 1. Rubbing. Rub your hands together, your hands will feel heat. When we rub a matchstick, it gets warm and start burning. 2. Burning. Heat from the burning wood can keep us warm. Heat from the burning gas cooks food. Thanks for joining us in this educational journey. We will see you in the next video.